how to make money online.
The second category of stuff you can do.
The Benjamin and Benjamin and Benjamin and Benjamin and Benjamin.
Quit my job because this mastermind beast, right?
I'm 15, and within one day I'd made my first commission.
It's been a year since I haven't worked a 9 to 5, and I've been making pretty good money.
I've been struggling to pay my bills, and now I have an internet business, and I'm so excited.
So in this video, I'll be going over 4 separate programs that pay you daily to be an affiliate. Now, one is in the biz op niche, one is in the software niche. The other 2 affiliate programs, they're actually affiliate networks, they're CPA networks, will pay you daily. But something to keep in mind about these final 2 is that they only accept people who are experienced affiliates. Okay, I want to make that very clear. They only accept people who are experienced affiliates with a track record of sending sales, and they're referred by someone. Don't badger, if you join these networks, don't badger the affiliate managers. The 2 networks are Ads for Dough and Above All Offers. Now, both of these CPA networks, A for D, also known as Ads for Dough, and Above All Offers, will pay you on a daily basis if you are sending enough traffic, if you are sending enough volume. So if you're making more than a few $1,000s per day and you really need the cash flow, then these networks will generally be accommodating, given that you have a good track record with your traffic, that they can verify that none of the traffic or the sales that you're sending are fraudulent. Keep in mind, affiliate marketing is rife with fraud, both on all sides of the equation. There are a number of affiliates, there's a closet industry of affiliates who use stolen credit cards and sign up for affiliate offers to get paid commissions, okay, right? Because if you can get a sale using a stolen credit card, you can make $50 commission from that product using somebody else's money. And it only costs about $20 to buy a stolen credit card information. That's a real number, $20 to buy stolen credit card information, all the details. So if you do the math, you're basically profiting $30 on every stolen credit card if you market through affiliate networks. So these guys will need to know that you're not using basically stolen credit cards to promote their products before they approve you for daily payouts. Now let's go into the top 2 networks. So I'll start with software. So the software product is called ClickMagic. ClickMagic is a click tracking tool. It's actually a tool used by affiliate marketers and other performance advertisers. Given as such, it actually has a really good affiliate program, and they pay out daily. It's very easy to get approved for this program. The downside of promoting this program is that it's a very niche audience. Again, the only people who are going to be interested in purchasing a click tracking software are people that are spending money on advertising or that are affiliate marketers that need an extra software tool like that. So given such, it's not something you can make a ton of money with, but if you need money right now, today, this might be a good program to promote or to figure out how to promote, because you will literally get money to your PayPal account right away. And you can sign up for all of these networks from any country in the world. That's another thing. Any country in the world, these networks are fine with. So it doesn't matter where you're from, you can sign up for these networks. The last affiliate program is in the biz op niche, and this is one of the broader ones, and it's called JVZoo, okay? Now, JVZoo is an affiliate network which has thousands of products on it. I've made a bunch of money with JVZoo. I know a bunch of other people, thousands of people have made money with JVZoo and promoting products on there. So this is a very good network, and you can join it from any country, and they will instantly approve your account with JVZoo to promote products. So really great international affiliate network that you can get started with, and that will pay you daily. Now, if you need money quick, hopefully this video helped you. You can put a big fat like on this video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you'd like to learn more about affiliate marketing and how you can specifically apply affiliate marketing for yourself and start making money. On my channel, I have a couple free mini courses. Some of them will be unlocked after you subscribe that teach you the step-by-step methods of how you can get started with affiliate marketing, apply things, do Facebook ads, and everything else you need to start making money. Also, post in the comments. If this helped, just type in "this helped." And if you want me to go deeper into any one of these specific affiliate programs, say go deeper into JVZoo or go deeper into CPA, whatever that is, tell me what you want me to go deeper in, because I'll take that to heart and go, possibly go deeper in another video about how you can promote one of these specific areas. Thanks for watching and looking forward to seeing you in some of my other videos. Go forth, prosper, make that money.